This is Simon, a 1.5-year-old male Labrador Retriever trained as a service dog. Simon has had extensive training and can be handled by a child. Whether the child has autism or just emotional issues or any form of disability, Simon can assist. Simon is a working dog, but he's also lots of fun. He does like to play with the ball and does retrieve, and great balanced temperament makes him a very resourceful, fun companion as well as a working dog. Our program is designed to make sure the dog is very sound in all types of environmental phases. And so traffic being one of those situations, and Simon has had extensive training in traffic, loud noises, all types of different public access situations. He does ride next to a bicycle. He's very, very smart and attentive. He can heel next to you walking. He can heel next to you on a bicycle. Simon is also trained in wheelchair assist. He does know how to walk next to a wheelchair and follows the instructions of the handler in the wheelchair as well. He heels next to the wheelchair and can assist you in different ways while being in a wheelchair. Simon loads up very nicely in the vehicles. He's been in different vehicles and does very well in all the vehicles that he's been in, and he can load up and sits very obediently in the vehicles. Simon does beautifully in public. The grocery store, he knows the shopping cart. He walks by you as you're shopping. He leaves things alone. He doesn't engage with people or items. He stays close to his handler at all times. He does have the automatic sit when you stop walking, so that he's not moving around or trying to engage in different activities or things of interest. One of Simon's many tasks is he does pick up items as well for you on command. For those of us who have back issues, he can do that. He is trained to go up on escalators, elevators, stairs, different surfaces, and rooms as well. Large crowds in busy places are no problem for Simon. Our training teaches them a lot of self-control. Now, Simon is also taught for bracing. If you were to fall, those of us who need help getting up, he does know how to brace. He's a solid dog. He does know how to go under on command. He does know the under command under the tables, under seats, under your legs, so that he's not in the way while you're in public. It's also great for when you're traveling on an airplane. You tell your dog under, he does go under your leg during that time. Self-control is key, and environmental soundness to service dogs, and that's what makes a difference with ours and many other so-called service dogs you see out there. They just don't have enough training, and they're too engaged with the environment and not engaged with the handler. So we make sure our dogs are totally functional in every type of environment and not being a distraction to the environment or hindrance to anyone while there. And so we want him out of the way with the under command, and he can basically go anywhere with you and be a great member of the community. He does do wheelchair assist, like we said. He can assist you on your wheelchair. He can assist you to get up from your wheelchair and brace you. He does know the brace command. And God forbid you drop something, Simon will go get it for you. Good boy.